All right, you guys, so let's get right into the box. So like I said, this is November's NailBoxy. If you don't know what NailBoxy is basically a monthly subscription box that you pay $29 for, and every month you get between 5 to 10 full-size nail products. So let's dive into her right now. So it comes packaged like this. We're gonna take off all the little paper and let's get right into it. So the very first product that I see is this dry flowers from Veronica's shop. The next few products are all from Lisa Kahn, and this is her chrome liner gel in the number 08, and it looks like it's a silver metallic color. The next product is also by Lisa Kahn in the number 550 Mexico, and it looks like it's a deep purple pinkish color. The third product is also by Lisa Kahn, and this is her shimmer top coat. Next is her base gel. The last product by Lisa Kahn, it is her 3D Magic Gel, and this is the color 01, which is white. And the final product, it is by the Nail Candy Shop, and this is a mixture of glitters, and this one's called Old Christmas Tree.